Hi, I'm Natalie Castelou, and I'm going to talk about onions today. Onions are related to garlic, leeks, and chives, and they're used globally. Some as a foundation, and some just an ingredient to add to flavors. And they're a significant source of nutrition and have a long history of being in medicine. There are white onions, there's yellow onions, and there's red onions. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some techniques to dicing your onions. So when you have a white onion and it calls for dice, go from the root to the top and then just slice down this way. And you have a nice diced onion, and it makes for quick work in the kitchen. One of the things I'm going to show you today is make pickled onions, and easy way to slice an onion. This is a hair tool, but I just use it for my kitchen. And you put it in here, and then you take your knife and go down. And you have nice sliced onions. This one didn't want to slice very much. There it is. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pickle them. So I usually cut the slices, usually cut them in half. And the pickling is just 2 cups of vinegar, 2 cups of water, a 1/3 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of salt. And you put your onions in the jar. And then you're going to put a clove of garlic in there and some peppercorns. And then you pour in your pickling juice. You let it sit out until it kind of cools, gets completely cool off. Then you want to put it in the refrigerator for anywhere from an hour to overnight, and they'll keep up to 2 weeks in your refrigerator. And that's how you slice and pickle onions. Thank you.